Good morning, everyone. Once again, this is Blackforex coming to you with another pre-market analysis video. This morning, we're going to be looking at the Kiwi NZD, which is also known as the New Zealand Dollar USD. But before we get that started to break down this Forex pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and break down the fundamentals of what's going on with the NZD and the USD, okay? Now, the New Zealand dollar is one of our stronger currencies heading into this trading week. It did have some shaky economic news, um, but we have to kind of see how that's going to play on the markets, okay? And then also, it is also categorized as a panic currency. So anytime the markets go into panic, due to global political events or catastrophes, it will be an immediate sell-off on this currency, okay? Now, the USD has been acting as a non-traditional safe haven currency during this European conflict, but fundamentally it has been very weak due to the inflation that's been suffered by the American economy, okay? And then also, we've had some bad news come out about, we didn't have any great economic news come out this morning that was released around 8:30 for the USD, and that's just going to also further add to its further weakness. And when the American government release sanctions that is going to ban the sale of Russian oil, that is also going to further inflation because you need oil to ship things around the world. You need oil to ship things on the road with trucks, and it's going to raise the gas prices. And to alleviate those prices, they're going to take the difference out on the consumers. So we're going to be in for looks like a tough couple of months. Okay, but with that said, let's talk about the technical analysis. Okay, so as you can see, we've been going up for some time with a very aggressive move up, and we started to come down, but we're not starting to come down as aggressively as we did last time we were in this type of area, as you can see. Last time we was in this area, we came down very aggressively. This time it's kind of choppy. Sellers are trying to come back in, but it's almost like they're finding their way back in because the buyers are not trying to give up control. So with that being said, more than likely we're going to continue to go up and push up until we get to probably right around here, which is 69665. That'll probably be this area here will probably be the new target area where chart is going to go before you start to see any retracement of price to push back down. So the two more than likely scenarios is going to happen is that we're going to continue to range here, and then price is going to push up. Okay, so we'll continue to range, or we'll have a push up, slight push down, and then continue to go up. Okay. Now, there is a small possibility of price changing over and continue to go down, but that's if we break this market structure here. So if we push below this market structure here, range out, weak pathetic push up and go down, then we know we have a changeover. But in order for that changeover to happen, we definitely have to have a shift in our fundamentals in which the USD becomes significantly much more stronger than NZD, or the NZD just becomes significantly much more weaker than the USD. But probability is that more probable scenario is that we're going to continue to go up. Okay? Because like I said, from a fundamental standpoint, with the current status of our economy, now we're going to be having issues with, global gas shortage. Looks like we're going to be heading into a recession before the summertime. So, with that information, I hope everyone prepares accordingly, and I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Happy trading.